Welcome to Natalie's Treehouse.
Hello everyone, welcome to Natalie's Treehouse.
Welcome to Natalie's Treehouse, guys.
Yeah. And today we have this beautiful tent provided by Lavievert. And Natalie has been super excited about this. We haven't gotten to do the video any sooner than this because of traveling. We went to go see who?
Aunt Dottie.
Yeah, we went to go see Aunt Dottie. But this was something we were really excited to do and to put together, and Natalie is madly in love with it. And what are you going to do inside this tent?
Put some stuff inside.
You're going to put some stuff inside? Well, she told me earlier that she wanted to sleep inside of it tonight.
Like a lot of times, maybe, but
Yeah. I bet this would be a really cool place to have a tea party. Don't you think?
yeah.
So why don't you put some stuff in the tent, and I'm going to walk around the tent and show everybody what it looks like. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. So this tent is so big, I cannot back up far enough for you to be able to see the whole thing in one shot.
Well, maybe you can back up like behind it and right here.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you like this, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know she'll like me because I'm beautiful.
Yeah. So why don't you get some stuff to put inside your tent?
Okay.
So this tent has some really pretty lace. A really good view of these beautiful giraffe and tree design.
And some backflower designs.
Yes, and this beautiful lace that's on this tent. How nice.
And my shirt.
And then over here we have some deer and some trees. Very pretty, very pretty. All right, Natalie, you want to show us the inside of the tent?
Yeah.
Ah! Ah! She's attacking me. She's attacking me.
Don't lay on my stuff or else it'll get ruined.
I'm sorry that I'm laying on your stuff. It's just comfortable to lay in here, and I wanted to show everybody what it looks like on the inside of the tent. Nellie brought all of her stuff in here. She's upset at me for laying on their teddy bear. All right.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. It'll be fine.
Oh yeah, it's okay because I can put it up.
So what do you think of this tent, Natalie?
Good. I got it.
And it even comes with this little mat, little rug to put on the inside of your tent. Natalie was super excited about that. And the other side is kind of a cream color. Natalie liked the white color better, so that's what we put up.
Bye.
Bye, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. And if you are interested in this tent, please click the link below. And Lavievert has also provided us with an awesome discount code. See you next time, guys. Bye.